In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp to manage a personal home reno construction. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can open ClickUp and immediately feel in control of your renovation. First, start with the inbox. This is where updates and messages land, so you don't miss changes, comments, or mentions related to your project. Think of it as your renovation command center. Open it at the start of your day, scan for anything urgent, and clear out what's already handled. A quick sweep here helps you catch contractor updates, delivery changes, and status shifts before they become surprises. Next, head to My Tasks. This view collects everything assigned to you, and it's perfect for seeing what needs to happen in order. Use it like your personal checklist for the renovation. Sort or view by due date so the next action is obvious. When you look at this list, you're not guessing what to tackle. You're following a sequence that keeps the project moving without overwhelm. Within My Tasks, you'll notice sections like Today and Overdue. Today shows the items you've committed to handle now. Keep this realistic so you can finish what you start. Overdue highlights anything that slipped. If something's overdue because you're waiting on materials or a contractor, adjust the date to reflect the new reality and add a short note so future you knows why it moved. The goal is to keep these two sections accurate, not perfect, so you're always working from a truthful plan. You'll also see a to-do section. Treat this as your staging area for upcoming work. These are tasks that aren't active yet, but are on deck. A quick glance here helps you plan tomorrow and line up what you'll need, whether that's measurements, approvals, or a trip to the store. Keeping to-do tidy prevents last-minute scrambles. Finally, use the personal list to separate work and personal responsibilities. Renovations can bleed into everything, so give your home project its own place. Keep renovation tasks on the personal list and leave work items elsewhere. That way, when you're in personal, you're fully focused on the reno. If you want extra clarity, name tasks with the room or area first, like kitchen or bathroom, and keep due dates meaningful so they roll into today, overdue, and to-do at the right times. By checking the inbox, working from My Tasks, paying attention to today and overdue, reviewing to-do, and organizing within your personal list, you'll turn a big renovation into a steady, manageable rhythm.